Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the battery stands. Open Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Health. Note the maximum capacity percent and whether performance management is active. These facts guide next steps. Once done, update iOS to the latest build and make a full backup. This protects data if you need to restore. Also, enable optimized battery charging and low power mode right away. They lower chemical stress and give you a stable baseline for the repair process. Next, you perform calibration to sync the battery meter with the cell. Charge to 100%, use the phone until it shuts off, then charge uninterrupted to 100% again. This helps the system learn true capacity. While you wait, run diagnostics. Apple Support Diagnostics or a trusted app will show cycle count, voltage behavior, and battery health trends. If readings are inconsistent and apps aren't the cause, reset all settings or do a DFU restore. Software glitches can mimic bad battery symptoms. When capacity falls below about 80% or calibration and restores fail, you should get the battery replaced by Apple or an authorized service to ensure a genuine part and correct diagnostics. After replacement, immediately verify maximum capacity is near 100% and recalibrate once more with a full discharge and a full charge so the meter reads accurately. If you still see erratic percentage jumps or sudden shutdowns, try a DFU restore to rule out firmware issues. If that fails, contact Apple support for hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.